have been on this land, Australia, for thousands of years. 225 years ago in 1788, Captain Arthur Phillip arrived with the ship of the first fleet. These ships were from England, and on these ships were convicts, people who had committed crimes. There were also Marines and their families. Here is Captain Arthur Phillip on his ship.
Morning to you. I think I can see the great Southland. This has such been a long voyage from England. 8 months. Go get the convicts.
There were 751 convicts who arrived in Australia in 1788. Life on the first fleet was harsh. Many were seasick, some died. They shared bunk beds and had rationed food and water.
Such a swell, singing to Reliance, singing to Reliance, singing to Reliance, we're bound for Botany Bay.
Straighten up, convicts. Now, Marines, hand out the crime sheets and let me hear what each of these convicts have done.
Good job, Marines.
My name is Ashanti Nurse and I am a convict and I stole it.
My name is Hannah Newman and I am a convict. I pickpocketed 2 purses and their money too. I got sent to jail for 5 years. When I break free, I want to start a new life and have a nice family.
My name is Cadence Swift. I am a convict. I stole money from a counter of a general store. I was sent to prison for 10 years. I was transported to Australia. I was stranded.
My name is Alex and I sailed 8 months from England. I am 19 years of age. I stole 2 loaves of bread and an old loaf. After I finish prison, I want to start a farm.
My name is Emma March and I am a convict. I stole 2 purses and a loaf of bread. I got sent to West Southland. When I finish my time, I would like to be a baker.
My name is Ezra Matthew. I'm a convict. I stole some bad water, and when really someone gave me the bad water and they said you should sell it. And I have to live in Way Southland for 20 years.
My name is Mason Simon. I am a convict. I stole a loaf of bread. Now I've been sent to Botany Bay. In England, I was in a hulk, which is a prison ship. When I finish serving my time, I would like to be a fisherman or a farmer.
My name is Isaiah Metcalf. I am a convict. I stole a piece of gold because I needed money. I was in a hulk before I left England. I want to be a baker.
Off you go, convicts, and keep the nose down.
The convicts settled in what is now Sydney. A colony began. They built bridges, roads, buildings and courthouses. Thank you for listening. We have enjoyed performing for you.